So, hi folks, this is the snack counter that I have recently done up. So, this is pretty much the same scene, like the counter is always there, and I put a lot of containers and jars because this is our snack area where we have some like biscuits and some savory items, dry fruits. Now, because it's Christmas time, so I always get cake. In fact, I always have a cake in this cake stand, but this time around it's a plum cake, especially meant for Christmas, and just decorated the place just to get the vibe. Now let me quickly tell you one by one where is everything from. So this is the counter. Okay, now half of the counter is absolutely clean. We can stand here, we can eat or drink or just place whatever. Yesterday's video I showed you my living room and my dining area Christmassy decor, and before that I also talked about how to do your or decorate or style your home for winters, make it more cozy and warm. So you guys can see I have a lot of cozy elements going on, like in terms of rugs and fur and the colors, lights. So it just brings in that warmth and coziness. So if you've not checked that video, please check it. I will link all those videos in the description box down below. So there'll be 4 videos related to home decor and styling. Now coming back to the counter. Now this little, basically it's a kitchen towel. It's not a towel fabric per se, it's just simple cotton, but it's called a kitchen towel. It's very English, the print is very English, and I got it from Cath Kidston, one of my absolute favorite brand. If you are a sucker for English prints, go to Cath Kidston. This very cute thing is my very recent purchase. It's actually a platter. It's a very new addition or collection from another favorite store, the Decor Kart. So this actually is a platter, so you can serve stuff, but I decided to place it on a platter stand and just let it show its cuteness, exude its cuteness, because if I would have placed it flat, you wouldn't have been able to see how cute it is. So it's just doing the decorative part for me right now instead of doing any other purpose. This little container has it has some dates in it, I guess. Okay, now this is a little teeny tiny pine tree which I got from Archie's. I just placed it here for more Christmassy vibes. This cute cupcake platter, it's actually a platter. It's not with the stand. I just combined the two together. It's from Chumbak, another favorite store for colorful and quirky stuff. And then I placed this pink cake stand. I got this from CCDS, not the coffee shop CCDS. There is a cakery shop in Gurgaon in South Point Mall called CCDS or CCDs DS. There is an S. So I got this from there long back, and it's a small size. It's very functional. I can just place it. It's always on this counter, and I just combined these two together. It's looking so cute together. Then you see this really cute pink, gray, white jar. It looks more like a gift pack, but it's a ceramic jar. I think I have what do I have in it? I forgot. Yeah, we had gachak. Yeah, because my husband eats gachak every day. I have gachak in this. Yeah, desi food in English style. This is also from the Decor Kart. Very favorite store of mine. Then I have some tin canisters. Let me come this side and show it to you. So these are my tin canisters, just from regular crockery shops. You will get them on Amazon. So these are available in galore. So again, I have winter khane peene ka saman in these. So this is also a very pretty one, a big one, and then I placed this one on top. Then I have my regular jars. So these, all 4 of them are from Chumbak. So these are again tin canisters from Chumbak. They have some biscuits for daily use. This is also really cute. It says "You're amazing," pink. It's ceramic with a wooden lid, and this says "Be happy," both from Chumbak. And then I also got this section tray from a local crockery shop in Gurgaon. So that I placed here. Okay, then I have this stand. It's actually a candle stand. You can see it's pretty. I think I got it from the wishing chair or Decor Kart, either of the two. I don't place candles here. I just placed it here and just sort of segmented or segregated this area for these containers. And then I have a flower pot. Okay, and that teeny tiny little hen that you see, also from the wishing chair on the wall. Okay, coming back to this side, Okay, then I have this English looking tray, and in this I have placed 2 jars. Both these jars are from the home center, and both of them have something in it, some snacks. And then a little Christmassy candle stand which I got from Amazon long back. Just excuse these 2 sanitizers, the virus has still not gone, and we've just incorporated this practice of using sanitizers, spray and hand sanitizer. So I just keep this here so that before we enter the kitchen, hands are washed, well sanitized, or if any fruits and vegetables entering the kitchen, any packets are sanitized. Okay, so coming on to this, so I got these 2 shelves fixed on this pillar, and on that I place these 2 pretty kettles. These are not of any use, they're just decorative pieces. Both of them are from Archie's. I got them around 2 years back, but they're doing fine. They are ceramic, but I found them so cute and quirky that I had to have it in my collection. So this is the current scene of my snack counter. No, I know it's a little busy, but this is how I like my home to look like. I don't want it to be a blank living space. I like a lot of cute quirky stuff going around. I know maintenance is an issue. I got a lot of questions. My only answer will be that if you enjoy something, if you're passionate about something, you have to make an effort towards it. So let's talk about it a little. Hi guys. Okay, so first of all, excuse me for my condition, for my halat. No makeup, oily hair, it's very cold and I'm a little lazy. So anyhow, I'm just enjoying the whole winter vibe and doing up the house. So that's what I'm focusing on right now. Okay, so the question that I get from a lot of you guys is, Sapna, how you maintain everything, like how you clean and so much of stuff that is there in your home. My simplest answer to it is that you have to make an effort, guys. You have to do some mehnat. So if you love doing something, if you're passionate about something, like I love home decor, I love collecting stuff. Not that I keep collecting it. I have a lot of stuff which I purchased while I was doing up this house 2 years back. But now I don't purchase it that often because I know I have a lot of stuff already. So the point is that honestly, I don't do the cleaning and dusting every day. It's not possible for me. I'm a working person. I have so many other things to deal with. But yes, I enjoy the whole process when I am redecorating, reorganizing, redoing the space. That gives me enough opportunity to like sort of deep clean everything. So deep clean that area. So if I am redoing my living room or my bedrooms, I clean everything. I keep organizing the cupboards. Dusting part, now I don't do it because now I have a helper for it. But initially, yes, I was doing it every day because I have so much of breakable stuff. I didn't want to, want somebody else to damage my stuff, break my stuff. But now I have a trained helper for it, so she does it. But yes, every 10-15 days, these deep cleaning, Safai Abhiyan happens and I do it. All these small little things, yes, the cleaning is required. So the only thing I can say is that if you like doing it, if you enjoy the whole process, make an effort towards it. You have to work hard. You have to show some extra effort. And if you think you cannot maintain it, then don't do it because it requires maintenance. It requires cleaning. It requires care. So that's my only answer, guys. And yes, all cuddled up in my fuzzy jacket. This is my 4th video related to home decor in this week. Like last Thursday I uploaded one, then on Sunday, then yesterday and today. So I hope you guys have watched the other videos. If not, all the links are in the description box. सारी videos जरूर देख लीजिएगा. Home decor से related हैं. They are very useful, informative and really cute. So I will try if I can do more videos in the coming week. But for now, watch this one, leave your comments, like this video. If you liked it, show it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you guys very soon. A very Merry Christmas to you all. Take care. Bye-bye.